Hello guys, welcome to Weekend Tips. Since Coinpot is shutting down now, I think I need to give you guys an update on the latest faucet I've been using and have been working for me. So the first one is this coin supply. The link will be in the description below. There are several ways to make money on this one, and it's very easy. Just go to N coins, roll the faucet normal as you do with Coinpot. Just roll the faucet. Then you um see I have 20 seconds left. If the time was already can't finish, I'll see it here and I'll be able to claim it. There is you can view ads too. They are like 50 and 15 seconds, 10 seconds, and you earn like 10 coins. It's easy to do and it doesn't waste your time. You can just open it and leave it to run. Like, see this one, 5 seconds, and I'll earn 9 coins. That's it. I'll earn my 9 coins to add it to this one. So to withdraw, you withdraw your coins here and everything. The second one on the list is this one, freebitscode.in. The link to be in the description. You see, I've been using this one before Coinpot even shut down. I think it was my first faucet. I've withdrawn a lot from this one, and yeah, it's good. This one too, you just need to claim I'm not a robot. The recapture, the load. Why is it taking so long? It shouldn't take this long. But you understand, you get it now. If it rolls in it, then you just click on roll. You don't need to do all these ones because they take all your Bitcoin. I don't recommend it. Just go to FreeBTC and claim. You can use the faucet collector too. If you already bought it from my previous videos. Let me see if I can run it and show you how to set it so you don't need to waste your time on these ones too. You just need to put it there and start running the bot and it will be claiming for you. But these ones, if it's claiming, you can just continue doing these ones, and just to instead of wasting time, just to make money out of your time. You understand? So these are the two I've found for now, and I've tested it. You see, I've tested it and it's working for me. So that's why I brought it to you. Maybe if I find another one, I'll try and give feedback to. So this is it. See, since Coinpot is closing down, I think all this one will go very soon. So user faucet, just go here and search for coin supply. I think it's somewhere here. Coin supply. See, but this is the multiply game. Just search for coin supply, and I think I already have it before. See, I already have it here. That's why it's not there. You just click on it. I have 73 days left. I need to renew this license because I'm really making money from this. Just put your email and your password, and 10 minutes and 24 hours. I think this one uses 15 minutes before you can claim the next one. See, it's already completed. Capture. Don't know why this thing is loading like this. Just submit and roll, and let me see, maybe this one's still rolling too. So two of them, I don't know what's wrong there. Just, you understand, put your time. If you need to change the time, just move it here, and you see 3 hours, 10 minutes, and 3 hours. If you want to put it at 10 minutes, just click everything like it. 1 hour 17 minutes. Just put 10 here and put 10 here too. See, 1 minute and 10 minutes before you claim. So that's it. For the freebie code, you should have that one to here. Get it. Just put your email and your password here, and I think this one uses I don't know. Just check. Just put it there, and if you get, just put it there. If it's 10 minutes, just put 10 here and just start it. That's all you need if you have been using it before and it's working. So I think that's all for today. Thank you.